Welcome to this overview of Interskill's VSAM for ZOS curriculum. Whatever your role as a data center specialist, at some point you will come across the Virtual Storage Access Method, or VSAM for short. VSAM datasets play a vital role in providing a higher return on performance, data integrity, and security, especially when it comes to working with applications that rely on indexed records such as databases. VSAM could be applicable in a number of areas, such as DB2, CICS, and even within ZOS itself. For example, VSAM could be used by database administrators as an underlying storage structure for complex databases like those found within IMS. Let's look at the contents of Interskill's VSAM for ZOS curriculum and see what topics you can expect to learn. The first thing you will notice is that there are 5 courses spanning over 10 hours of learning. In the Introduction to VSAM course, you'll be introduced to what VSAM is and where it might be used. You'll get to see the features of VSAM and the different VSAM dataset types that can be used. Also covered in this course is the internal structure of VSAM datasets, since understanding this can play an important part in deciding which type of VSAM dataset you would need to use for your applications or system products. But how do you define VSAM datasets? This is covered in the Defining, Altering, and Deleting VSAM Datasets course. In it, you'll find out ways in which you can create VSAM datasets using various methods, such as the IDCAMS utility, JCL statements in your batch job, and even TSO commands. Following on from this is the Working with VSAM Datasets course, in which you get to see how to search for and display a VSAM dataset's attributes using the IDCAMS listcat command. This can be helpful if you need to capture statistics on VSAM dataset usage and performance. You'll also see how to print contents of a VSAM dataset using the IDCAMS print command, as well as how to use IDCAMS to work with and manage VSAM datasets. This is useful if you need to copy VSAM datasets, merge them, perform a backup, or restore them. Next is the Managing VSAM Data course, which delves into more advanced aspects of VSAM datasets and focuses on how programs and applications can take advantage of VSAM's file sharing and record-level sharing capabilities. Understanding these characteristics will give you a clear view of VSAM's ability for record sharing and how you can ensure that data integrity is maintained even across multiple platforms within a sysplex. The VSAM Advanced Tips and Tricks course rounds the curriculum off, showing you various pointers of things you may not have known you could do with IDCAMS, as well as some best practices to give you that skillful edge when working with VSAM datasets. If you look at Interskill's job role portfolios, you can see where the VSAM for ZOS courses fit. This example is from the Systems Programmer Learning portfolio, focusing on ZOS utilities. This covers most of the content of the VSAM for ZOS curriculum discussed earlier. If you're undertaking Interskill's IBM Endorsed Certificates, then obtaining a solid understanding of VSAM will be a key requirement. You can see in this Systems Programmer Certificate Learning Plan where the VSAM courses appear and where IBM endorsed badges are automatically attained when criteria are successfully completed. These badges are tangible and confirm the VSAM skills and knowledge you have obtained. Whether you're new to working with VSAM datasets or already have some experience using them and are seeking to gain extra knowledge about the topic, Interskill's VSAM for ZOS curriculum will be high on the list of content you need to know. Feel free to reach out to the Interskill's learning team to discuss any questions you may have about this curriculum. Thanks for watching and enjoy your learning.